this Nissan Micra 2008 model, we're going to show you how to take the battery off. So to take the battery off, open the bonnet. So take the negative off first, then the positive, and keep them separate. Make sure that's not touching on the metal. So you just need to loosen this a little and then wiggle this off. Now we're going to put it under here so it doesn't come back and touch any metal there. Now what you can do is put a plastic carrier bag or polyester bag or a cloth around it. So there we are. So that's not going to spring back up. And then for this one, take the cover off and take that off as well. Done. Wiggle that off and just leave it cover down. There we are. Okay.